Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring assets like BNB between exchanges can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we're focusing on how to transfer BNB from Exmo to your Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security, especially with the evolving regulations in 2025. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Coinbase Wallet. Start by logging into your Exmo account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section, where you'll find your BNB balance. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually found in the top menu or under your asset list. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, this is crucial. Switch to the Coinbase Wallet app or website and copy your BNB wallet address. In 2025, Coinbase might have updated its interface for better security, so ensure you're using the correct network, probably BNB Smart Chain, to avoid any issues. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Exmo. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, but keep an eye on the network fees, which could be higher due to 2025's market dynamics. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps. Exmo will process the withdrawal, and you should receive a confirmation email. Once the transaction is initiated, hop back to your Coinbase wallet to monitor it. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. And voila! Your BNB should now be safely in your Coinbase wallet. A quick word of caution. Always verify wallet addresses to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips in 2025. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.